Менің атым Радek. I was born in Cape Town, South Africa, and lived almost all of my life in the United States and Poland before moving here to Kazakhstan. In Kazakh culture, I like the food and Domбыра.
My name is Hamish. I came to Atırau in 2017. I work for Tengi Chevrolet. This is Isabella, my wife, and Radek's mom. Well, Radek has a passion for music, and we thought it would be a good idea for him to learn Domбыра while in Kazakhstan. It's a great way to understand culture here in Kazakhstan. So I decided to buy a Domбыра for Radek.
I chose to play Domбыра because when we moved to Kazakhstan, my dad, he told me all about it, and I thought I might give it a try and play it.
Мы занимаемся уже где-то полгода, это по выходным, уроки 1 или 2 раза. И в летнее время у нас еще были перерывы, но в течение 6-7 месяцев уже мы занимаемся. Радек делает большие успехи, у него в репертуаре уже где-то 4-5 киев.
I know Kurmangazi. I know that he wrote Kelenshek and he wrote Adai. And I'm not sure if he wrote Valbrown and Akitolari.
Is it a whole instrument?
Yeah, it has like a tiny hole.
Okay.
From Kazakhstan.
Due to the pandemic starting March and April of 2020, we had to leave to Poland and we were unable to return to Kazakhstan. I'm having lessons with my Domбыра teacher at the moment through Skype on my iPad every Sunday. During my time in Poland, I learned a new composition by the famous poet, Kazakh poet Abay, called Közümnün Karası. The things that I miss most about Atırau is my friends, my school, my Domбыra teacher, playing Domбыra with my friends. I would like to wish all the people of Atırau and Kazakhstan a happy Nowruz, health, prosperity, and a better 2021.